A workshop bringing together stakeholders in the project inclusive landscape management, pathways for scaling up innovation, integrated land and water management for climate change resilient agri-food systems was held this Friday, 7 May 2024 in Cibitoke province. An expert from the International Water Management Institute by the name of Dr. Gerald Atampugre, in collaboration with Dr. Marie Chantanui, research and head of the Planning and Ecology Program at ISABU, spoke to us about the highlights of this project for local farmers.
Right. My name is Gerald Atampogre. I work with the International Water Management Institute of the CGIR, and my function on this project or initiative is research. I'm a researcher on this project, and I'm particularly working on the work package 3, which looks at inclusive landscape management planning. So my presence here in Burundi is to support the implementation partner, that is ISABU, to support them to implement or to design or co-design inclusive landscape management plan for the Nyamagana micro watershed, which is in Cibitoke province.
What is the target of this project to the farmers of this area of Cibitoke?
So the target in general is to develop a landscape plan which will be adopted by the Cibitoke commune and province. For the farmer, we have plans to implement bundles of innovations that will help them at the farm level to do sustainable farming, that will help them to improve their yield, and that will help them to have sustainable livelihoods.